Good morning. Today we talk about the sundials. In Italy we call them meridiana. It's the solar watch that we can find on the facade of the building, the south exposed facade usually. I found out there are two main methods to make the sundials. The first one is scientific, so we have to insert the coordinate about our wall and the angle of the wall itself. We put all data in a software like this one, for instance, and it will output the panel with the time and will tell us the angle of the gnomon. Gnomon is the stick that projects the shadows. The second method is, we call it empiric, means we have to plug a stick in our wall, south exposed of course, and we wait hour by hour and we sign all the clocks, so 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. We are going to make this job in summer, in the solstice of 21 of June, and we wait 6 months to make it the second time in winter. So we can say that if the first method is more nerdy, the second one, the empiric method, take too much time, and as you know, life is short. So I found out that I can use Revit Solar Simulator to make a projection of my wall. So let's see how it works. So first we need to collect some information, means the global coordinate and the angle of our wall. For the angle, don't trust the compass of your smartphone because it's not precise. The best way is to type the address. Here we are, we open Google Maps and we ask the satellite view. Okay, I don't need this one. Yes. This is my flat and this one is the terrace, and this is the wall where I want to make my job. So I can say that all these buildings are aligned to this street, Via Pola. So I have this information, this is the angle I need, and then I will ask Google to tell me the latitude. Latitude is the first number, so 45.488. This one is the distance between me and the equator line. So now I can collect both information in one screenshot, okay, and place it into my Revit file. So I will start a new Revit file. Here we go. Okay, my template have a palm tree and a woman, you know. So I will place a wall right here, doesn't matter the dimension or whatever, and this one is already my stage. On the ground floor I can place my screenshot just to have easier the information I need. So the first information is this one, 45,488. This is the latitude, the distance between equator and me. I need this one because the formula is better to see here. The formula means that at the equator I will have the sun vertical on the zenith, so my gnomon will be horizontal, and 45 latitude, for instance Milan, New York, whatever, the sun will arrive in diagonal, so I have my stick at 45 degrees. Of course, in the north side of the wall the sun will be very, very horizontal. So I need a vertical stick to get a shadow. In my case, I have 45488. So let's go to make our gnomon. So I will make a new component. It will be okay, furniture will be okay. Gnomon. Okay, let's make an extrusion. It will be 30 centimeters deep, 1 centimeter thick, 1 centimeter thick. Go back and close. Okay, let's see how it's appear. Okay, the default value is 25. Actually, I want it maybe here, so we can say 1 meter. And I want it thick 1 centimeter, so from 99 to 1 meter. Okay, that's good. Now I have to angle to the value. I have to rotate it from the side. 45, 488. So I take a width view, and I will rotate of 45.488. Okay, good. This is my gnomon. I will plug into the wall. Okay. And this is already my stage. Okay. Now the second job is to get this angle. So I can take a model line, trying to be precise, make 2 lines, okay, I select both, okay, let's move near. So if I select one, it will tell me the angle between the south. So this is the south, means west east axis. So my distance is 24.41. We can say 0.40. So we make a section first, from here to here. Okay. And we need to rotate all these group of frames. So first, I will try to make an ensemble in France. Okay, and I will rotate it of 24.41. So this is the same angle of my wall. So we have all. Okay, this is our stage. We take the section. Blondie girl, she's still reading, and now we are going to set the shadow, but definitely we need to set 1 day. We set Milan, my city. Okay. We set the 21 of June, and we start from maybe 10 o'clock until 19. Okay. So my wall at 10 o'clock in the morning, the gnomon will project this shadow. So I get closer, and what I need to do is to make a record of all the clocks from 10 o'clock until maybe 6 in the afternoon or 7 in the afternoon. So I will make a print of this screenshot. So I will use the K stamp system or print screen, and I will start a new Photoshop file where I will paste down the image I've just taken. So now what I have to do is to switch hour by hour, print and paste. Again 12, print and paste. 13, print and paste again. 14, print and paste again. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Five o'clock. Okay, paste 5 o'clock. This is 5 o'clock, is this one. Print. This one is mistaken. This is 5 o'clock again for 6 o'clock. Print and paste. And the last one will be 7 o'clock. Okay, print and paste. Okay, so for my coordinates and position, this will be the panel that I will print on my wall. So I will start from 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I will just this here just for a note, and hour by hour I will go in the afternoon till 19. So now I will apply a fusion to all those layers. It's allowed me to see through and have the entire timing in on one sheet. Multiply and multiply. Okay, I will crop the image. I need only this part. Okay, that's it. So this is all my clocks. I start from 10 o'clock in the morning, and in the center I have my gnome. So now what I need to do is to print this sheet big as I like, and place on my wall. The second things I need to do before to close is to take a note of the angle of the gnomon. In this job I have used a drill to make the hole, and I've used this art paper silhouette to fix at the exact angle the gnomon, and that's it. Okay, it is 5 o'clock past few minutes. So we can say that it's quite precise. Even if, of course, we are not going to use this watch because to take a plane or we have an important meeting. So enjoy your time, and thanks for watching.